What makes this factory so trusted? Hello, everyone! This is one of my best performing customers. Interestingly, they never try to win by offering the lowest price. Yet their orders have never stopped, not even during difficult times. Why? Because they prioritize quality, trust, and long-term relationships. I recently visited their stainless steel processing plant, and it left a lasting impression on me. A clean, well-organized workshop. Clearly labeled areas, finished goods, samples, rejects. Skilled operators working with focus, rhythm, and discipline. A production line that runs with quiet confidence and control. You can feel that this is a factory that takes pride in every detail. And when a factory respects its own work, customers respond with trust and loyalty. Business isn't just about transactions, it's about building something reliable, together. Consistency builds confidence. Trust is earned through actions. Thanks for your watching.